Welcome to the Financial Literacy YouTube channel, where we help you to improve your financial well-being through practical tips and insights. In this video, we will explore the tools that rich people use to manage their finances and improve their quality of life. While wealth is not a guarantee of happiness, having access to the right tools and resources can make a big difference in how you manage your finances and navigate complex financial situations. Many wealthy people have teams of advisors, sophisticated investment strategies, and cutting-edge technology to help them manage their money and build wealth. However, you don't have to be a millionaire to benefit from these tools. By incorporating some of these strategies and tools into your own financial management practices, you can improve your financial literacy, make better financial decisions, and increase your overall well-being. In this video, we will cover a range of tools that rich people use, including financial advisors, trusts, and banking apps. Whether you are just starting out on your financial journey, or you're already well on your way to building wealth, this video will provide you with valuable insights and strategies for managing your finances and improving your quality of life. So, let's dive in and explore the tools that rich people use to manage their finances and improve their well-being. 1. Financial advisor. A financial advisor is a professional who provides expert advice and guidance on various financial matters. Wealthy individuals often hire financial advisors to help them manage their investments, create a financial plan, and minimize taxes. A good financial advisor can help you set realistic financial goals, determine your risk tolerance, and create an investment portfolio tailored to your needs. They can also provide ongoing advice and guidance to help you stay on track and make informed financial decisions. 2. Trust. A trust is a legal arrangement that allows you to transfer assets to a trustee who manages them on behalf of a beneficiary. Trusts can be used to protect assets from creditors or lawsuits, provide for family members or charitable causes, or manage assets after death. Wealthy individuals often use trusts to manage their assets and minimize taxes. For example, a trust can help you avoid estate taxes by transferring assets to your heirs tax-free. It can also provide for your family members after your death without the need for probate, which can be costly and time-consuming. 3. Banking app. A banking app is a mobile application that allows you to manage your finances on the go. With a banking app, you can check your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and track your spending. Wealthy individuals often use banking apps to manage their finances more efficiently. They can check their accounts and transactions from anywhere, and receive alerts when their accounts reach certain levels. Some banking apps also offer investment and wealth management services, making it easier to manage your investments and stay on top of your financial goals. 4. Calendar. A calendar is a simple but effective tool that can help you stay organized and manage your time effectively. Wealthy individuals often use calendars to schedule their meetings, appointments, and other important events. By using a calendar, you can plan your day, week, or month in advance and avoid conflicts. You can also set reminders for important tasks or events, making it easier to stay on track and accomplish your goals. 5. Sauna. A sauna is a heat therapy room that is believed to have many health benefits, including detoxification, improved circulation, and stress relief. Many wealthy individuals have a sauna in their home or visit a spa regularly to enjoy the benefits of this therapy. By using a sauna, you can improve your overall health and well-being. It can help you relax and reduce stress, which can have a positive impact on your mental and physical health. It can also help you detoxify your body by sweating out toxins and impurities. 6. VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a tool that allows you to browse the internet securely and privately. Wealthy individuals often use VPNs to protect their privacy and avoid being tracked online. By using a VPN, you can encrypt your internet connection and protect your personal information from hackers or identity thieves. You can also bypass internet censorship and access websites or content that may be restricted in your country. 7. Guided meditations. Meditation is a practice that has been shown to reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Wealthy individuals often use guided meditations to help them relax and stay focused on their goals. By practicing meditation regularly, you can reduce stress and anxiety, improve your focus and concentration, and enhance your overall well-being. Guided meditations can be especially helpful for beginners, as they provide instructions and guidance to help you get started. 8. Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves breaking your work into short, focused intervals, usually 25 minutes, followed by a short break. This technique can help you stay focused and productive throughout the day. By using the Pomodoro technique, you can stay focused and avoid distractions, which can increase your productivity and help you accomplish your goals more efficiently. This technique is especially useful for tasks that require sustained focus, such as studying or writing. In conclusion, wealthy individuals use a variety of tools and techniques to manage their finances, improve their health and well-being, and stay productive. By adopting some of these tools and techniques, you can improve your own financial literacy and achieve your goals more effectively. If you want to learn more about financial literacy and how to manage your finances effectively, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Financial Literacy. We offer a wide range of resources and tips to help you improve your financial literacy and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching.